What's the meaning of barefaced? Barefaced. Barefaced.
Barefaced. Barefaced. The term barefaced is used to describe someone who acts shamelessly or openly without any attempt to conceal their intentions or actions. It can refer to behavior that is bold, brazen, or audacious in nature, often involving deceit or dishonesty. For example, a person who tells a blatant lie with a straight face is behaving in a barefaced manner. The term is also used to describe something that is plain or unembellished, without any adornment or decoration. In this context, it may refer to a building or a piece of clothing that is basic or simple in design.